What is happening, everyone? Just wanted to make a quick announcement about this huge event that Rapid Set has going on September 16th, 2021 from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. at the Ann Arbor Home Depot in Michigan. They're going to be doing one of their awesome demos, only it's going to be like 10 times bigger. And Rapid Set asked me to be a guest, and I couldn't be more excited. We've been talking about doing something like this for quite some time, and I would love to meet my subscribers. So if you wanted to show your support, show up at the Ann Arbor, Michigan Home Depot, and we're gonna be slinging concrete, making concrete countertops. Rapid Set's gonna show you some new innovative products that they have coming up. It's gonna be a good time. And I have no idea how many people are gonna be showing up, but I'm gonna have a bunch of these keychains made. So if you show up, I'll give you a keychain. But what I really want, I'm gonna bring this, and I want everybody that shows up to sign it. I would love that. But if this turns out to be a successful event, then maybe this is something that we can continue to do in different states even. So again, September 16th, 2021, 9 a.m. to 2 p.m., Ann Arbor, Michigan Home Depot. Come on out, I'll see you there, and maybe we can make something cool together.